Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do something different today. We have the little kune piglet, and where he was at before, they had little wading pools and little kids' sandboxes for them to get in for a wallow, rather than actually having a wallow dug out. Well, this is his water bowl, and he wants to get in that all the time. So I decided I would go out and buy him a little swimming pool. Well folks, it's huge compared to his height. So I'm going to measure the water bowl right here, and we have an old barrel that we're going to cut down to about this height and hopefully save this. Okay, this is 5 inches tall. Let's see. How tall are you there, little bit? Hi, buddy. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hello. Okay, he is 12 inches tall, and his legs are 7. So I'll give all that information to Bob, and then we'll go from there on fixing him something to hopefully keep him out of his water bowl. What's she doing, Porky? What's she doing? Oh, donuts, we get them waddles. Yeah, she little waddles. We're making you something, buddy. Oh yeah, that should be perfect. We don't need to be playing with the water jugs. I've got you something else. Porky! Okay, I have the little barrel for a wallow, but he's having a blast with the water jugs. Hey there, little fella. Come on. Come here. Come here. Look, Porky. He's like, where did my toys go? Porky. Really? Really? Come here. There we go. There we go. Pig, pig, pig. How do you call a pig anyway, guys? Pig, Porky, Suey. Come here, check it out. good little tail wagging. What you got? This definitely isn't level right here. After he dumps this out, we'll have to find a better spot. He's just investigating right now. Hey, look. Here. You like that? Huh? Well, come here. Let's come here and go this way. Come here, we'll get in it. Porky, hey. Hey. Guys, animals so never behave how you want them to.